Hi there, I'm Hao. Another video of me solving random numerical problem. So let's begin. Today we have valid anagram, so we have to return true if F is an anagram of T. Anagram means we can rearrange every letter in S to get T, right? So which means they must have the same number of letters, right? For each letter, they need to have the same number of letters. So you look here, we have like 2A, right? Uh, 1N. Actually, we have 1N with like 3A, right? 3A, 1G, 1R, and 1M, right? So as long as we have this, like we can rearrange it in uh like T, right? So they must have the exact same number of letters, right? So we can iterate through S to count each letter, right? And we can iterate through T to decrement the letter that we have found, right? So if the letter is not even in the map, right, we can return false. If it is in the map, right, we can decrement it, right? So if we see n, we decrement n to 0, right? If we see n again, right, and it's already 0, we can just short circuit and return 0, right? Things like that. We look at A, we decrement it to 2, right? G, decrement that, right? R, so we decrement it to 0, A, 1, and M to 0. I think I forgot to count the A here. So it should be 0. So at the end, the value should all be 0. Okay. So we can uh oh, so we can have a factor, right? We can say mod for we need to iterate to S. Okay. So if character dot have the current letter, right? Then we gonna add it. Um, calculate yet that's I plus one, right? Maybe we can just use like an object here, so it can be a little bit cleaner. Save culture as of I here, right? Then we can do culture as of I plus plus. So otherwise, we can start with culture as of I to one, right? Right, to one. Yep, that's correct. Yeah, so we can count the letters, right? And we can iterate through T now. So so if T if the letter is not even in the counter, right? You can just return false. Right? And if the counter as of I uh, is have the power of equal to 0, we can also return false. Otherwise, we keep counting by implementing the count. Yeah. At the end, we need to make sure that every single letter we have a count of 0, right? Remember the 4 points in counter. Um, if counter exceeds the count is not 0, we can just return false. Otherwise, we return true. Or no. Let's see here. So iterating to T. And if the character of T, okay, if the letter of T is not even in the character, right, we can return false. If the character of T, right, not in character. So if the letter have a type of 0, right, so we don't have any letter left to use, so we can return false. Okay, and thank you for watching.